Welcome to Best Choice. The best silicone baking mat is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any modern kitchen, revolutionizing the way we approach baking and cooking with its non-stick properties, even heat distribution, and reusable nature, making it a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to parchment paper or greasing baking sheets, ultimately promising a cleaner, healthier, and more enjoyable culinary experience for home cooks and professional bakers alike. Number 5. Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mat 2-pack. Introducing the Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mat, your new go-to for all your baking needs. This set includes 2 convenient mats designed for easy baking, roasting, and food preparation. Crafted from food-safe silicone, these mats are designed for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. Enjoy baking with peace of mind, knowing they are safe for you and your family. Say goodbye to sticking and messy cleanup. The flexible, non-stick surface releases food effortlessly, eliminating the need for oils, sprays, or parchment paper. Enjoy perfectly baked goods with ease. These mats are oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, providing reliable performance for all your cooking adventures. For best results, always use them with a baking tray for added support. Cleanup is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe mats. Simply place them in your dishwasher, and they'll be ready for your next culinary creation in no time. Each mat measures a generous 16.5 by 11.6 inches, offering ample space for all your baking and roasting requirements. This convenient size ensures you can handle any recipe with ease. What we like? Get 2 large mats for a fantastic price. They are dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for everyday baking and roasting, this is a great choice. What people say. The mat is non-stick and easy to clean. It is made of food-grade silicone, which is safe for baking. The mat is durable and can withstand high temperatures. Number 4. HOTPOP Silicone Baking Mats, 3/4 size. These baking mats are designed to fit your standard baking pans. They measure 11.5 by 8.5 inches, making them ideal for most 9 by 13-inch pans. You can store them flat or rolled up to save space. Say goodbye to grease, sprays, and parchment paper. These mats provide a non-stick surface for baking cookies, macarons, and more with fewer steps and less cleanup. Save time and reduce waste in your kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze with these non-stick mats. Food simply lifts right off, and you can wipe them clean or pop them in the dishwasher. They are perfect for busy families who want easy cleanup. Built to withstand daily use, these mats are incredibly durable. They resist wear and tear, ensuring they pair perfectly with your favorite cookie sheets for all your everyday baking needs. Made from high-quality silicone, these mats offer a dependable surface for all your baking endeavors. Use them for family recipes, holiday treats, or school snack preparations without needing extra tools. What we like? This set comes with 3/4-sized mats, perfect for smaller batches or specific recipes. The thicker silicone ensures durability and even baking. If you're a baker who loves making macarons or pastries and needs precise shaping, these are ideal. What people say. These mats are great for nearly all baking uses, not just macaroons. They prevent bottom of your food burning on the tray. They are extremely easy to clean up, no matter how messy the food is you are baking on them. I prefer this type of reusable baking mat where they are already outlined. I've been using these sheets for quite some time and have had no problems. The mat rolls nicely for storing and flattens right out for baking. The circle outlines help so your macarons are uniform in size. Not one stuck to the mat. Number 3. HOTPOP 2-pack Silicone Baking Sheet Set. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick surface. This means no more greasy messes, just simple and quick cleaning after every baking session. Achieve perfectly baked treats every time. Its design ensures even heat distribution for delicious and well-baked pastries, making them reliable for all your baking needs. Create healthier, low-calorie baked goods with ease. The non-stick coating allows you to bake without needing extra oils or sprays. These are built to last, withstanding temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. They are compatible with both freezers and ovens, offering great versatility in your kitchen. Available in convenient half and quarter sizes, they fit standard pans perfectly. These reusable options are ideal for all your baking requirements. What we like. This pack offers both half and quarter sizes, giving you flexibility for various baking tasks. They are designed to provide consistent, evenly baked results every time. If you need versatile mats that fit different pan sizes and want reliable performance for cookies, pastries, and bread, consider this set. What people say. These mats are great for nearly all baking uses, not just macaroons. They prevent bottom of your food burning on the tray. They are extremely easy to clean up, no matter how messy the food you are baking on them. Number 2. Silicone Baking Mat 3-pack. Introducing our set of silicone baking mats, designed to withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. They provide a reliable surface for all your baking needs. These mats are perfect for baking, roasting, and everyday food preparation. Enjoy even heat distribution for consistently delicious results. Say goodbye to oils, sprays, and parchment paper. Our non-stick mats make cleanup a breeze, and they are even dishwasher safe. Featuring a non-slip surface, these mats stay securely in place. They are built for repeated use, offering a sustainable baking solution. This set includes 2 large mats measuring 16.53 by 11.61 inches and 1 smaller mat at 11.81 by 8.26 inches. Their 0.7 mm thickness ensures stability. What we like. This set includes 3 mats, with a non-slip surface for added stability. They can withstand high temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you frequently bake at high heat and want a secure, reliable surface for cookies, macarons, and bread, this is a solid option. What people say. The mat is non-stick and easy to clean. It is durable and can withstand high temperatures. The mat provides even heat distribution for consistent baking results. Number 1. Koolstuffs Silicone Bread Sling for Dutch Oven. Introducing the Koolstuffs Silicone Bread Sling, designed with dual long handles. Effortlessly remove your baked goods from the Dutch oven while keeping your hands safe from burns. Enjoy a truly non-stick baking experience. Simply rinse it clean or place it in the dishwasher, saving you time and eliminating the need for parchment paper. Crafted from premium, BPA-free, food-grade silicone, this sling is built to last. It's incredibly flexible, resistant to deformation, and ensures safe baking. With a temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures even heat distribution. Say goodbye to burnt food and hello to perfectly baked results every time. Beyond sourdough, use it for cookies, pizza, vegetables, and more. It's the perfect gift for sourdough enthusiasts and anyone who loves to bake. What we like. Designed specifically for sourdough bread, these slings feature long handles for safe and easy transfer from your Dutch oven. They ensure even baking and easy cleanup. If you're a dedicated sourdough baker who wants to simplify the process and avoid burns, this is a must-have tool. What people say. These bread slings are a must for making sourdough bread easier. They absolutely make it easier to maneuver the dough into the Dutch oven and to lift the bread safely out of the Dutch oven when done baking. This is a reusable sling and saves me a lot of money. Removing the bread from the slow cooker is easy with the slings. Easy to clean, no stickiness after washed with hot soapy water, definitely reusable, very durable, can be rolled up and stored. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.